Oh, no, 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 no.
How are you? I'm fine. So, now we are going to who can remember us what you have seen yesterday?
Yesterday.
Hands up, hands up. Who can remember us what you have seen yesterday? You got?
I am seeing
Another, sit.
yes, sir.
You boy?
You have seen multiplication.
We have seen in multiplication. So, now we are going to see addition. And what?
Addition.
Addition in mathematics. Action. The symbols of addition is like that. Plus represent addition in mathematics. Yes?
Yes.
To solve addition, so can use this symbol like 1, for example. 1 plus 1 is equal 2.
7.
No, 7 is equal to, because when we take this line plus this one, this line again, then you count 1, 2. Solution is 2. Yes. So you come here to take one question to solve this. 2 plus 3. Who can do this question? You come here. Come.
Masuk paling gomera.
turashize noneho
2 plus 3 equal. Solution 1,
Yes.
2,
Plus.
1, 2, 3. Good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Equal 5. Read. 2 plus 3 equal 5. Come for me.
Give me minute.
Read this.
Yes.
Come, student, come for me.
Me, teacher.
Read.
Ihene ibiri uteranyije
Not ihene. 2.
tubirimo.
2.
Yeah.
Repeat. 2.
Tubirimo.
2.
Turabizi.
2
Turabizi.
plus
Brasserie.
3 3
rusisibiranya
3
rusisibiranya
iko iko
ibiko
iko
ibiko
iko 5
ihene tanu
5
ihene tanu
2 plus 3 equal 5
ihene ibiri zabyara
Two again. What is next? Another question to ask. 4 plus 4 equal. First question, second question, 10 plus 1 equal. Who can come to solve the first question? Yes, Mamenya. Solve this first question. 4. Read first of all. Read. 4 plus 4 is equal.
10
First read. 4 plus 4 equal. Yes, solve.
10
Yes. Solution is
10
Is it right?
No.
Is it right?
No.
Who can correct him?
Me.
You sister. Come correct him. Take a chalk and correct him. 4 plus 4 is equal? Yes. Clap for her.
Yes.
Go to sit. Who can correct the last question? You got come. Correct it. Last question. Take a chalk.
Yes.
First of all, read 10 plus 1 is equal. Read 10.
8.
10 plus
Plus
1
1
is equal.
is
Solve.
15.
Show your ways.
Yes.
First of all, clean blackboard, and in order to show us a clear solution to understand where the
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 plus 1.
yes.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 15 equal 15.
Is it right?
No. Yes.
Is it right?
No. Yes.
Why is it?
Yes.
Why is not?
Yes.
Why is not right?
Yes.
Why is right?
No. Yes.
No. Who can correct him? Yes. Come. Go to sit. 10 plus 1 is equal? Yes, 11. Clap for her. So let me show you when you are going to addition using the rhyme. Don't count these symbols because if the symbol are not numbers. For example, 3 plus 3 using the rhyme symbols of rhyme can count this. 1, 2. Symbol is addition. Yes. And then 2 and rhyme 1, 2. Then we're going to count this line, not count these symbols. Then we count 1, 2, 3, 4. A solution is 4. Now it's time for a break. We shall be progressive after break. Go in a break. Yes.
Kemarin Ratu nyurahkan aja nih.
Ratu satu nak. Oh, biar kaya ni buku ya. Sama ada sekali ya. Jangan main dengan hotel aja, tapi di berapa lagi?
Dia mana satu raga?
Wah, pilih ganjes. Wah, pun hari lagi.
Tugiye gusaka ibisasu mwana. Tugiye gusaka ibisasu. Ko sibibaga. Ibisasu kundi babisakaga ntago mubizi.
Kira nama rero ndageze.
Tugiye gusaka nani bureke si yageze. Bureke yageze mwana. Uze tugiye gusaka.
Roshanyaga. Roshanyaga.
Ye nazanye na telefone. Nanjye nasigaye amasaha.
Ay minota.
Tugiye gusaka ibisasu mwana.
Shoka. Ba. Sugen. Apa merupunya? Mau tuh kok.
Mana?
Buka.
Ibisasu mwana.
Buka.
Tugiye gusaka ibisasu.